Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to easily find and set up the personal hotspot feature on your Android phone. If you're looking to share your mobile data, stay tuned. First, open the Settings app. Next, scroll down and look for a section called Connection and Sharing, Network and Internet, or something similar. It depends on your phone's model, or search about connection. Now, tap on Personal Hotspot or Mobile Hotspot. This is where you can enable the feature to share your internet with other devices. Here, your password and name, Personal Hotspot. And that's it. You've successfully set up your personal hotspot on Android. Now you can share your internet with other devices on the go. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with any questions. Thanks for watching.